Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Chrome and going straight to Settings. This is where controls live. Once in Privacy and Security, disable overly permissive options and review site settings. Make sure Chrome is up to date. Updates fix pop-up bugs and security holes. While you're here, note the offending sites so you don't block necessary ones later. This first step prevents accidental data loss and gives context for targeted actions. So move deliberately, but stay focused on the specific pop-up sources you recorded. Next, go to Site Settings, then Pop-ups and Redirects and set it to block. This stops most intrusive windows. Then open Notifications and remove any sites you never allowed. Notifications often trigger ads. Clear cookies and site data for domains that persistently show pop-ups, because stored scripts can re-enable ads. If an extension injects ads, open extensions and disable suspicious ones. Once done, restart Chrome to apply changes so the browser loads a clean state without the ad-injecting scripts. To finish, run an anti-malware scan to catch adware that survives settings changes. This removes persistent injectors. If pop-ups continue, reset Chrome settings to default. It clears malicious tweaks while keeping bookmarks. Test an incognito or create a new profile to see if the issue is profile-specific. If pop-ups disappear, migrate bookmarks and extensions selectively. If problems remain, check installed programs on your OS and remove recently added software. One troubleshooting tip: use a different device to verify whether the issue is account-based or local.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.